and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of our trip away. Pink team is on breakfast this morning. We're one down today. One of our members called in sick. Our other members still sleeping. We had to get someone else to cover for our team this morning. My boss here called me at 6 a.m. and said we needed to get up and get breakfast ready. Thought you were doing the most stressing out, but because I didn't know that we were one down today, then we have Tui here who's offering his help, but I'm sure he's only here to keep an eye on us so we don't use his breakfast stuff. And finally, my little buddy here has decided to wake up and join his team, and he knew what he needed to do this morning was to set up the table and get the drinks ready. I have my sis here who has been offering to run Zumba from day one, but honestly, it's only the hallway that sees her routine. Now ready for Reggie.
This is what I'm gonna do when it's breakfast time. Elia Vatela afio mai wo mai a ono tapena tama fatanga fafatai.
Yay! Now that breakfast is ready, my team and I finally get to relax and over to the green machine who will be prepping dinner for us tonight. We were meant to have a sports day today, however, weather hasn't been the greatest. I think God knew how unfit we were and didn't want anyone to have a heart attack. So the weather saved us, but tears of joy, yeah, Dad. This has been so good.
At least your supporters.
Se ka koewa ai maka kolinginga la ko kurude a ai o mai fai kolinginga fose koe mane masor kama o fulango modi le masangi ai yava ai o ka angalu le energy le whainga o mako whea o ka se māngai ia nga koe whainga ene mako sports day le ala wa cancel nga maka kimo mange yaso e se mako e whesipa ke ka le team lango mea maka whakaere ke mo le se ainga
So tell us what you're cooking for today.
That's what I said, is it?
No, because there's an iron there, do you?
Anyway, you've got lamb shoulders.
Lamb shoulders.
Because
How do you set it in salmon?
so good. Who's this?
Wow.
What's up, guys? Yeah, just finish helping out with the barbie. See with the girls in the kitchen.
Yo, come guys, let's explore the Fever Eyes. Oh, you know. So, did you guys meet the level of expectations?
Oh God!
Is that you, AI?
Not me. We just do our job. Best of our ability.
That's good, that's good.
That's up to the people that ate it.
That ate it.
But it looks like it's done because they ate well. So it looks like it's good.
Because when I tasted the bacon, it was nice and tender. And then,
Just some of the things.
and then when I had the yolk of the egg, I just melted in my mouth. Yeah.
Oh, come.
There you go.
How old is they?
That's how it is, the usual.
Are you the interview or you?
Sorry. We just hit the fields this morning. Little pump to try and like the footwork in that, little fitness in it. As you can see, got also here, Sintuli.
What's up, guys? Downtime with Jay right now with JV. Got Auntie Bao, you know, very hard working. And yeah, got Papa and Auntie and that. Auntie's been eating since breakfast. Just recap on what we did this morning. Woke up around 5 o'clock in the morning. Did a few sprints around the block. Came back. Did some footwork out on the field. What else did we do? Did a bit of fitness. Had a fitness block. You know, light day. Came back. Helped with the brekkie. After that, had a bit of downtime with the boys. You know, just recap on what we're gonna do tomorrow. A little insight on what we've done so far. Mate, come here, mate. Let me show you this field. All right. Look at all this space, mate. Look at all this space. Man, this is so beautiful, man. Can't take anything for granted these days, you know what I mean? Not too much, you know, haven't had a full-on day, but just taking every day as it comes, you're just spending time with the whānau. Hey, also.
Welcome to day 2. That's all I got.
Hi guys, welcome to day 2. We are now just chilling. My team was on breakfast this morning. The green team are on dinner and we're having barbecue for dinner. We were meant to have a sports day today, but the weather's not too good. Nice to have everyone under one roof and just to spend time and fellowship. And we hope you enjoy this vlog. Wow, that barbie smells so good. Look at the back, it's so pretty. I know. Hi, baby. Flexing his muscles. That guy's still eating and mucking around. Hey, Shugs. On to Muli PP.
Dangerous.
Good for the lips, not for the hips.
Say 90 degrees.
Oh, God.
3, 2, 1, start.
What's another? It's a video you can like. It's got like memory. Nah, it's like making you confused and that. Nah, like you can watch it. And you
Skip it, nice.
Yeah, like that.
What's the word?
Illusion.
Yeah. When you're like more things to someone, like
Attracted.
nah.
Slave.
Another.
Thank you for tuning in, fam. We hope you have enjoyed our vlog tonight. Stay tuned for more tomorrow and have a good night.